This 2025 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 26 RKE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 30 feet 10 inches in length and features sleep 6, smoke detector, slide-out, stovetop burner, external shower, microwave, LP detector, awning, DVD player, oven, auxiliary battery, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 26 RKE is 8,650 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.